the digital documentation. What is the meaning of the documentation? I hope you people are familiar with the term document. What is document? A document is a paper with written contents, and the process of preparing a document is called documentation. You all know documentation has been done from the earlier times. Documentation is required to preserve the content for a longer period or to be used as evidence. Earlier in days, the manual typewriters were used for the typing document, which was replaced by electronic typewriters, and now a computer is used for this purpose. Now, tell me one thing, what is the drawback when we are creating a document by writing it with the hands or while we are creating a handwritten document? Yes, there are certain disadvantages towards it. First of all, understanding the specific handwriting is quite difficult. Then there are the chances of creating the errors time to time, and we just keep on wasting the time in rectifying these errors. So with the advancement of computer hardware and software technology, the process of handwriting documentation was changed and automated to computer word processing. Now, while we are creating a digital document, we are using the computer for this purpose. Definitely, a person who is creating a document is called as the data entry operator. He is the person who has to possess the skill of using the tools very effectively to create a productive document, and definitely he or she needs a good typing speed. Now, what was the requirement? Why do we need to have the computer over the typewriter? First of all, in case of any typing error, the whole sheet is required to be typed again. Secondly, to send same letter to two or more persons with different addresses, it requires multiple typing effort. Yes, I know you people would be thinking about the mail merge feature. Typewriter does not have all the required characters or symbols. It is not possible to type all the characters using the typewriter. Like suppose if you want to create a copyright symbol, how are you going to create this symbol using the typewriters? So for all such type of the special characters, computers came to help us a lot. Secondly, it is possible to produce a document in the desired format using a typewriter.